If 2x square minus 2x equals to minus 5x plus 14, what are the possible values of x? Welcome to MathGym. We are going to start another math video for basic algebra. So we can write this one, number 5. 2x square minus 2x equals to minus 5x plus 14. So here x all are variable, so we will transfer one side. What does mean? It means 2x square minus 2x will be unchanged, and here is minus 5x, so we can add both sides 5x, so add 5x. It means this minus 5x will become out from right side, and here is plus 14. We can write this one is minus 14 because we are subtract both sides by 14, so here is 0. So 2x square minus 2x plus 5x, it will be plus 3x minus 14 equals to 0, right? Then first our target to find out the value of x. So here is 2, here is 14. If we multiply, it will become 28. But our target to find out two numbers, once we multiply we will get 28, and once we make add it will become plus 3. So possible factors are 1 times 28, 2 times 14, 3 is not possible, 4 can possible, 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is a 28. Interesting thing, 7 minus 4 is a plus 3. So we can write 2x square plus 7x minus 4x minus 14 equals to 0. Then we can take common what? Here is x square, here is x. So x common, 2x plus 7, and here minus we can take common 2. So again 2x plus 7 equals to 0. Then here is common thing 2x plus 7. Again we can take common 2x plus 7, and here is x minus 2 equals to 0. This case we can write either 2x plus 7 equals to 0. It means 2x equals to minus 7. Then it will be, we can divide both sides by 2, so x equals to minus 7 by 2. So our answer is minus minus 3.5. So one answer. Or we can say x minus 2 equals to 0. Then we can add both sides by 2, so x equals to 2. So we get two answer. One is x equals to what? Minus 3.5. Another one is 2. This is our answer. Very simple. So number 1 done. Number 6. 3 plus 4b equals to 5. 3a plus 4b equals to 5. If a equals to 4, and then what is the value of b? So we can put the value a equals to 4, right? So 3 times 4 plus 4b equals to 5. We can write a subnote, which is a equals to 4. Then 3 times 4 is a 12, and 4b equals to 5. Then 4b we can subtract both sides by 12. So 12 and minus 12 out, 5 and minus 12. Now what? Now we can write 4b, and 5 minus 12 is a minus 7. Then we can divide both sides by 4. So b equals to minus 7 by 4. It's a fractional answer. If you want, you can write by decimal. So the answer will be minus 1.75. Very simple. So this is B. So if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Number 7, if absolute 4x minus 12 plus 15 equals to 19, what are the possible values of x? So first we have to know what is the value of absolute value of 3. Absolute value is like, if we write a straight line, in middle 0, then 1, 2, 3, and here minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. Now look, this absolute value from 0 plus 3 distance is 3, and minus 3 also distance 3. Value will be minus or plus, but the unit is same, which is 3. Similar thing, if we write like this, 4x minus 12 plus 15 equals to 19, then we can write 4x minus 12, and this plus 15, once we subtract both sides by 15, it will, this minus 15, it means plus 15 minus 15 out, and here is 19 minus what? 15. So it will be 4. This case value will be 2. Means, look, either, so absolute value 4x minus 12, it will be minus 4 or plus 4, right? So first we can make against plus 4. So this one, no need to use this one. So 4x equals to 4 plus 12 equals to 16. So we can say x equals to, we can divide both sides by 4. So 16 by 4, the answer will be 4. So one value. Case 2. Case 2. This one is case 1. And case 2, 4x minus 12 equals to minus 4. Right? Because absolute value, if x, absolute value of x equals to 1, it will be x equals to either 1 or minus 1, right? So this case 4x equals to minus 4, minus 12 become plus 12 because we are adding both sides by 12. Then it will be 4x equals to minus 4 plus 12, it will be plus 8. So once we divide both sides by x, divide by 4, it will be 8 by 4, it means 2. So our answer is x equals to 2 or 4. Okay, so very simple. We are trying to solve 1, 2 and 3 math. Number 8, it's very important. Number 8, absolute value, this is 8, 2x plus 7, and then this 13. So we know a theory like absolute value of a less equal b. It means minus b less equal then a less equal plus b. We know once we omit absolute value, the b become either minus b or plus b. This scenario we can write minus 13 less equal 2x plus 7, then less equal plus 13, right? Now here is plus 7, we need to omit. So in this case we are subtract all side. So minus 13, then minus 7, less equal 2x, plus 7 and minus 7, so 7 out, and then 7, 13 minus 7. So here is minus 20, less equal 2x, and then less equal 13 minus 7, it will be 6. Now we will divide all side by 2, these 2. So 2 and 2 out, here 2, it will be 10, here divide 2, it means what? 3. So our answer will be like minus 10 less equal x less equal 3. Dividing by 2. Okay, and here subtract by 7. So our answer is minus 10 less equal x less equal 3. So number 8 done. Solve the system of equation for x and y. Number 9. Here is minus 3x minus 2y equals to 8. Okay, and another one is 5x plus y equals to 3. So this equation we can make equation 1 and this one is equation 2. So we have to find out what is the similarity. Here is minus 2y and here is plus y. So if we multiply equation 2 by 2 and then add with equation 1, so we can write like equation 1 plus equation 2 times 2 we get. So first we can write like minus 3x minus 2y equals to 8, right? And then equation 2 we will multiply by 2, so it will be 10x, and then multiply y with 2, so it will be plus 2y equal 3 times 2 is 6. Now look, minus 2y plus 2y out, 10x minus 3, it will be 7x equal 8 plus 6, it will be 14, right? Now we can divide both sides by 7, so x equals to 2. It's a 1 answer. Now we put this value x equals to 2, we put in equation 2, right? So 5x plus y equals to 3, then 5 times 2 plus y equals to 3, then 10 plus y equals to 3, right? Now we will subtract both sides by 10, so y equals to 3 minus 10, our answer is minus 7. So we get, so x equals to 2 or minus 7. Very simple. So no more today, we are trying to solve 5 math in this video. All are very important, so don't neglect any kinds of math. You should practice. Basic algebra is always important, because sometimes 2 marks or 1 marks question, this is help us. So please subscribe my channel, which is Math Jeep, and don't forget to share with others. Thank you.